Alright, what's going on? Today we got a repair video on the C63. The car is misfiring. I'm about to show you guys the codes. I'm gonna go ahead and scan it and show you guys how to properly diag and figure out what part you need so you don't just order stuff. But let's get to it. Alright, as of right now it says that the code is stored, but it most definitely is not. Once I turn it on and start driving, it starts misfiring. But right there it says cylinder 6, so that's going to be on the driver's side. So we're going to go ahead and take off this intake, which is not difficult at all. You go ahead and loosen here and then just remove I don't know, this air duct, I guess, and then you just pull up on this and it should pop right out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off and get deeper. All right, intake is off. We're in the driver's side. Very simple. I didn't unplug it, just put it over there. So here we have the coil packs. These work in a set of 2, I guess. So it's 1 coil per 2 spark plugs. So one way to check your spark plugs and coil packs is pretty simple. For the coil packs, what you want to do is go ahead and take off this coil pack and replace it with this one or the one on the other side. And then by doing so, if it's the coil pack, it will follow over to whichever position you put it in. So it'll change from, like, let's say cylinder 6 to cylinder 7. So that would be a good way to determine if it's a coil pack. Let's say you swap those out, the coil packs, and it's still not working. Go ahead and pull them out again and then swap the spark plugs and see if the misfire continues. If it continues on the same cylinder, you will have to go further in depth by doing a compression test and then a leak down test to see if the engine's any hurt. And then from there, you could always go after the fuel system. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and swap out the coils and see how that goes. All right, so originally this code was for cylinder 2, but I've already done that whole Diag process. I had swapped this coil pack with that one over there. First, I had swapped just these 2 spark plugs, and it stayed misfiring. And then I swapped those 2 coil packs, and it went away for 1 day, but then it came back for now cylinder 6 instead of cylinder 2. So now we're gonna go ahead and replace the coil pack and hopefully solves the issue. And just like that, got the new coil pack in. Go ahead and put the intake back on and then run it for a little bit and then go ahead and rescan and see what kind of code we get now. Hopefully none. So, but we'll see. I kind of did drop it on accident as soon as I opened it, of course. And it's not OEM, so we'll see how that holds up. Okay, we got everything put back together. The intake is on. Got the car running. And I'm gonna go ahead and read the code. Rescanning it. All right, so it's a stored code now. I'm gonna go ahead and erase it, but let's go see how the exhaust sounds. I'm gonna post a clip of how it sounded when it's misfiring and now. All right, we're in the car now. Got the ignition on. I'm going to head and erase these codes. All right, no more faults. Go ahead and start it back up. Or cycle the ignition, actually. So far, so good. Go ahead and test drive it and bring you guys along, and hopefully it drives all better now. All right, so we're on a test drive. It's been driving fine, so even gassing it does good. Very good. Works great. All right, so the car's been running good. I feel pretty confident the part worked. we'll see tomorrow as I drive it some more. But if you guys enjoyed that video, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.